Let's talk about key variables to getting a tidy cut. Now, the people at Strata have spent some time and they've done cut settings, which can be found by pushing 9 on the keypad. If you're doing a cut that's not in the pre-made settings, let's talk about some of the parameters we need to adjust. So there are a few things we can adjust to getting a clean cut. One is arc voltage. This is how high our torch is off the plate. The thicker the plate, the higher the arc voltage. Thinner plate, we reduce it down and it will let us get closer to our cut. Cut speed, we want to have the machine moving as quick as we can while still piercing the plate. If it's going along and all the sparks are coming out the top and it's not going through, our cut speed is obviously too fast. If our cut speed is too slow, then what can happen is the cut will get wider and wider and wider until you get something come up on the screen called arc break alarm. This means that all of your steel where it was cutting has been blown out and the plasma can no longer sense an earth. So obviously in that situation we need to speed this up. Let's look at pierce time. So pierce time is how long our torch stays in position before it commences the cut. If that pierce time is too short, it's not going to go through the plate, we're going to get a heap of sparks up on top, and it takes off and we haven't got a clean cut. Ideally we want to have our pierce time set as short as possible so it's just gone through the plate and then away we go. Again, we've already saved some of these settings on your machine. If you can't find them, then by all means make contact with us here at Strata and we'll send these through to you.